Hello and welcome to my channel.
I'm going to show you how I'm making this highlighted heart granny square. I think it's super cute, and this little extra color circle gives it a nice effect. So let's get started. Take your yarn, make a slip knot and chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain, and chain 3. Now into the circle in the middle here, in here, make 3 double crochets, slip stitch. You don't have to, but I like to put the marker into the slip stitch. Now continue 5 double crochets, next one is treble crochet, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull up through, pull up through, and pull up through, and put the stitch marker into this. Again, you don't have to do it, but I like to, because then I know the middle part. And 2 more double crochets. And slip stitch into the first stitch. You have now 12 stitches here, so chain 4, into the same stitch here, make 2 triple crochets, 1, and 2. Into the next stitch, make 8 treble crochets, when you've done 8, next stitch here, make a double crochet, and now you're in the middle. Take your stitch mark off, make a slip stitch in here, and put your stitch marker back in. It's just to mark where is the middle part. It's easier to see. This is the first part of the heart. So next stitch here, make a double crochet, here, make 8 treble crochets. Here's 8 treble crochets. Next stitch, make 2 treble crochets. Next 2 stitches, make double crochet. Into the stitch where the stitch marker is, make 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, and 1 double crochet. And next 2 stitches, make a double crochet. And end the stitch with the slip stitch. And you can cut the yarn. So this is our 2 rounds of making the heart. You can hide the ends, but I don't feel like doing it right now, so. And let's make the highlight around it. So I think I'll make it red. So take your second color and pull it through the slip stitch. And make a knot. Pull up a loop, chain 1, and every stitch around the heart make 1 single crochet and make them looser, so then the heart stays more flat nicely. So just make single crochet all around the heart. And when you get back here, just try to get into the chain 1 here. It's a little tricky, but try to get in there and make a slip stitch. I know it rolls up a little bit, but just press it down with your hands and shape it a little bit. Take the color what you want your square to be. Take this and attach it. Raise your slip stitch here. You know, it's a lot going on there already, but it is what it is. Make a knot. And chain 4. And make a treble crochet into the same stitch as your chain 4. next stitch is hiding a little bit, so pull the stitches and use only back loops. So double crochet into the next stitch, the next one half double crochet, again half double crochet, then it's the first corner. I'm gonna do half double crochet and double crochet into the same stitch, chain 2, and into the next stitch make double crochet and half double crochet, then the next stitch make half double crochet and a single crochet, then single crochet, next one 2 single crochets, then single crochet and half double crochet, and now we've reached our second corner. So we do double crochet and 1 treble crochet and chain 2. The second stitch here, the treble crochet and double crochet, next one you do double crochet, half double crochet, 3 single crochets, half double crochet, double crochet, and we've reached our corner number 3. So double crochet, treble crochet, chain 2, and into the next stitch we do treble crochet, double crochet, then half double crochet, single crochet, next one 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and half double crochet, and then we reach the corner. So we're gonna do half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, next stitch we do double crochet, half double crochet, next one we do 2 half double crochets, next 2 stitches are half double crochets, and the last stitch here we do double crochet. And we finished the first round of your square. So slip stitch into the treble crochet stitch. So this is the first round. Each side you should have 11 stitches. And now the second round we'll just do each stitch we do 1 double crochet. So chain 3 into the same stitch, make double crochet. I don't count chain 3s as stitches, so that's why we do the same stitch again, and just continue doing double crochets until you get to the corner. When you reach the corner, then into the corner space make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the space again, corner space, and continue double crochets until you get to the corner. So your stitch may be hiding a little bit here, but here is your first stitch here. Keep doing all double crochets, all the stitches, corner stitches. We do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and continue doing it until you get back here. So I'm almost in the end. Slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch here, and cut your yarn, and you're done with your granny square. Each side should have 15 stitches. There's a lot of ends to hide, but each side should have 15 stitches, and you can use this wherever you want. I like to make it Kindle sleeves or book sleeves. You can put them into the blanket. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video. You can comment if you wanna what you would like to see me make. So here are my squares. I think they're super cute. Thank you for watching. Bye.